Hey everybody, this is Eddie with Flex Machine Tools, and today I'm going to tell you 5 things that you need to know about the FlexJet WaterJet machine. The FlexJet construction utilizes industry-leading motors and drives and features an all-steel machine frame with a 20-plus year proven mechanical design. The WaterJet is a 2-piece construction that features a helical rack and pinion for faster acceleration, deceleration, higher accuracy, and increased longevity. FlexJet's 5-axis head is the first of its kind. The patent-pending design uses a real 5-axis instead of a focal point design for advanced taper control. Equipped with an infinite C-axis, there are no limitations on the travel or the number of rotations it can handle. The advanced technology makes tangential following possible, resulting in faster, more accurate cuts. The FlexJet is equipped with software and price drive systems that offer the highest level of productivity without sacrificing accuracy. The WaterJet also has a system for unrivaled speed and acceleration. The FlexJet is the fastest moving water jet on the market, with the ability to wrap it at 1,800 inches per minute on the Z-axis with 1 G acceleration and deceleration without sacrificing accuracy. The FlexJet is equipped with WSI heavy-duty industrial intensifier pumps, which have the slowest cycle rate along with the industry's longest hydraulic piston length and component life. The pumps allow for industry-leading performance with proven dependability. They also allow for less maintenance and more productivity in the long run. The FlexJet is backed and designed by a team of WaterJet experts with over 130 years of combined experience in engineering, software, applications, service, and support. Well, there you have it. For more information on our FlexJet WaterJet machine or our other machining solutions, feel free to check out our socials or visit us at flexmachinetools.com.